Hey, I'm John Thielen, host of John Thielen's Destination Fish Television. Do you ever wish you had power steering on your current boat or pontoon? Maybe you're looking at a brand new boat and thinking about power steering options. The best solution available is the Panther XPS Gen 2 power steering system. I run this system myself, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install either for your dealer or by yourself in your own driveway. To start, we are going to mount the pump system. This system takes up minimal space and will most often easily fit into your starting battery compartment. Then we will take off the factory steering rod and mount the cylinder plate to the front of the engine with the bolts that are part of the kit. Next, we will install the power steering cylinder with the provided hardware. Before hooking up the electrical portion of the system, pull the fuse from the power steering power leads, then hook up the battery terminals, red to positive and black to negative. The next step is to run the purple wire to the console and hook it up to a key switch hot terminal, meaning the unit will turn on with the key switch in the on or running position. Back to the motor end now. Hook up the cylinder attachment bar to the cylinder and the engine. Use the large nylon washers and the supplied lock nut and engine bolt. Attach the Panther provided steering arm onto the cable steering rod and the power steering cylinder. Use the supplied washers of various sizes to take out any play or binding in the system. Remove the orange caps on the pump and attach the fluid hoses to the pump and power steering cylinder. The fittings are sized one smaller and one larger, so it is simple and they cannot be attached incorrectly. Now you can reinstall the fuse into the electrical wires and then fill the system's reservoir with Panther power steering fluid. Turn the key switch on. You will hear the pump running, and then you can simply turn the wheel back and forth several times to self-bleed the system. Lastly, check your hose connections to be sure that the system has no leaks. That's it, you're ready to go. The Panther XPS Gen 2 power steering system is the best power steering option I've ever seen. I run this system on my fishing boats, and I'll tell you what, my wife absolutely loves the ease of steering that it provides on our pontoon boat. For more information about the XPS Gen 2 system, you can check out the Panther Marine page at cmpgroup.net. I'm going to tell you something, if you're looking for something to add to your boat that's just going to make it flat out more enjoyable to be on the water, this is the piece right here, the XPS Gen 2 power steering system.